5 Japanese foods that rebuild muscle after 60. Dr. Hinohara's longevity secrets. What if I told you the secret to rebuilding your muscle after 60? Isn't in the gym? It's not in protein powders, and it's definitely not in those magic supplements being sold to you. It's food, but not just any food. These 5 ancient Japanese ingredients recommended by Japan's most legendary doctor can help you regain strength, energy, and independence. After 60, let's dive in. This man treated patients until the age of 105. He walked to his appointments. No cane, no help. And he wasn't bedridden in his final years. He was thriving. His name was Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara. Let food be your first medicine. Here are the 5 Japanese foods he and his patients used to stay strong physically and mentally even in old age. 1. Natto. The sticky soup. Natto is a traditional Japanese food made from fermented soybeans. It might look strange, but it's one of the most muscle-rebuilding foods on earth. It's packed with plant-based protein, probiotics for gut health, and most importantly, vitamin K2, which helps strengthen both muscles and bones. As we age, muscle repair slows down. But Natto's unique nutrients wake up your muscle-building machinery naturally. Dr. Hinohara recommended eating it regularly, and the Japanese who consume it daily have some of the lowest rates of frailty and fractures in the world. 2. Grilled samano, omega-3 south. For muscle preservation. Next up, grilled samana staple. In Japanese diets, it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which protect aging muscles from inflammation and breakdown. You see, after 60, your body becomes resistant to building muscle even with protein. But omega-3 south improve your muscles' response to protein, making each meal more effective. Studies show that older adults who consume fish regularly have better mobility, more lean muscle, and fewer falls. Dr. Hinohara often ate salmon with steamed rice and vegetables, a perfectly balanced anti-aging meal. 3. Wakame. The seaweed with strength. Don't underestimate seaweed. Wakame is rich in magnesium, iodine, a marine antioxidant. These nutrients help muscles contract and relax properly. They also boost metabolism and reduce fatigue. Japanese elders often eat wakame in soups or salads, like nourishing and deeply healing. It may be the missing mineral source in most Western diets and a key to restoring energy after 60. 4. Black sesame seeds. Ancient strength. Food tiny, but mighty. Black sesame seeds are rich in zinc, iron, calcium, healthy fats that support hormones and joints. They're considered a longevity tonic in Eastern medicine, feeding not just the body, but the vital essence. Sprinkle them over rice, mix them into porridge, or grind them into paste for easy digestion. They support muscle tone, prevent joint stiffness, and help you stay active. Dr. Hinohara valued simplicity. He often added these seeds to meals for an effortless health boost. 5. Purple sweet potatoes. Okinawan. Energy fuel. Last but not least, the purple sweet potato. This vibrant root isn't just beautified, it's packed with powerful antioxidants that fight muscle degeneration and support circulation. Unlike regular carbs, this one gives you long-lasting energy without spiking blood sugar. That means more fuel for walking, lifting, and living. Without fatigue, it's no surprise that Okinawa, the island of centenarians, eats more sweet potatoes than rice. These foods are simple, they're not expensive, and they've been nourishing strong, independent elders for generations. Dr. Hinohara wasn't chasing youth, he was chasing function. He believed aging was natural, but suffering wasn't. If you're over 60, rebuilding your strength starts at the dinner table. One small change today could mean years of independence tomorrow. Which of these 5 foods are you adding to your plate this week? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health wisdom from the world's longest living cultures. Your muscles and your future self will thank you.